Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am going to be showing you guys this beautiful makeup look for glasses. Just so you guys should know, this is a prescription glasses. I wear my glasses 90% of the time, and this is the makeup I usually go for. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful look. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So as you guys can see right now, I have already prepped my skin, but I accidentally deleted that video. I don't know how it happened, but I accidentally deleted it. So right now I'm putting on one of my favorite foundation. Is the NYX Born to Glow foundation. This is one of my all-time favorite. I am using Cappuccino and Caramel. I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar for you guys, so you guys can see everything that I use. So right now I'm just blending in this foundation. I really like this foundation. I like how it sits on my skin, and as you guys can see my skin right now, I went on the beach last week and I got really tan, and I love how my skin looked. Like I was in the sun tanning, guys, and I had a good time. So I'm just gonna continue to blend it in right now. So right now I'm just gonna be using the same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in golden. I'm just putting a little bit because I don't like to put too much on my face when I'm wearing glasses. I just want a little bit of highlights, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then next I'm going to be using again NYX matte setting spray. I really like to do this when I put my concealer on and then I blend it. This concealer a little goes a long way, and right now as you can see, I'm just taking my time and I'm just blending this beautiful foundation concealer. I really like how this looks on my skin, guys. And then next I'm going to be using NYX again Can't Stop Won't Stop pressed powder. I'm just gonna put this on my concealer. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my concealer before I put my setting powder. I really like to do this because it just makes my face look more flawless, and I just love it. So that's what I'm doing. And then after, I'm going to be setting my whole face with my Motives Cosmetics pressed powder too, but I forgot the name. But I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar down for you guys. And then after, I'm gonna be using one of my all-time favorite Juvia setting powder. Oh my god, I really like this powder, guys. I just like how it looks on my skin after I brush it off. It just looks so flawless. And now I'm just gonna take it and set everywhere I put the concealer. After that, I'm going to take the same concealer and put it on my eyelid and just take my time and blend it in. If you guys notice, I didn't put too much foundation on my nose. I always try to avoid that area, and I just put a little bit of foundation, and then after I just set it with my powder, because your glasses is sitting in between your nose the whole while, so try to avoid that area so that it won't, you know, be all kicky, and then if you start sweating, then your makeup is gonna start, you know, getting from there, something like that. So now I'm just putting my eyeshadow on my eye. I usually try not to put a dark eyeshadow. I try to put a light eyeshadow to bring out my eyes more in the glasses, because sometimes if you put a dark eyeshadow, it hides your eyes. So I'm just putting a light eyeshadow. I got this eyeshadow from the dollar store. You guys will not believe it. This eyeshadow is so pigmented. I love it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just doing something simple. I don't like doing too much because I'm wearing glasses, you know. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Please thumbs up this video, and we will see you in our next